How to turn off active status on Instagram for one specific person. So hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to find out if we are able to do that or not. So let's just dive right in and get started. So start by opening up Insta for that. And once you open up your Insta, go to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And you can go to your settings by tapping on the menu icon at the top. And then access your settings from here. So from here, you need to scroll down to the messaging and stories reply section and go ahead and find that option right there and tap on it. And after you do so, you will be finding different options and a section called active status, show active status. So you just need to tap on that option. And when you tap on that option, here you can see a toggle option saying show active status. So if you'd like to turn off the active status for one specific person, you cannot do it just for one person. It is on all or nothing setting. So what you can do is you can basically, if this option is turned on, you can turn it off. We have this option of showing you our active status to public and accounts we have followed a message. So you can turn it off, and when you turn it off, the active status will be turned off entirely for everyone. And that is how you do it. If you want to hide a specific person or not want to interact with one specific person, you can go to their account. And then once you go to their account, you can tap on the three dot. And you can either restrict by tapping on restrict or block them entirely. And that is how you basically reduce the active status on Instagram for that one specific person. Otherwise, you need to follow up the whole process and only you should be able to do it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.